AfricanPianoLessons.com. So today I'll be showing you another exciting one. So we're starting, to look at some, Highlife readings, and I'm sure if you've been following some of those previous lessons, you'll be looking at, different ways to see how we can, play Highlife. And I'll show you one of my, very classic, Highlife reading that comes to me sometimes every time I'm on the stage, and we'll take that further. So playing in F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. I strongly advise you watch part 1 and part 2 of these videos, because I won't be going so much into like the chord formation in this particular one. Now the reading is so that was what I was playing. So F, C, F, D, E flat, A, C, B flat. That's the first beat. So normally I'll probably use fingering 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. So and Highlife, you just need to groove. So you can just, it doesn't have to be exactly like that particularly, because you can play a little bit of off reading, just to make sure you sound like you. So once you learn that beat first, you can end that first reading, before we move to the next beat, fa, so, do, pa, 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 fa, fa, so, do, pa, 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 fa, fa, so, do, pa, 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 fa, fa, so, pa, 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 fa, fa, so, do, pa, 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 fa, fa, so, do, pa, 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 pa. Now the next beat is where we do. So 4 is B flat, G, D, F. So you can so, do. So all I'm doing is trying to replace fa with a rhythm now, and you can see that's coming from B flat major scale in key F as the 4th note. And the other lesson, I'll show you how you can start creating all this nice Highlife reading, from each scale of the tone of the chord. So if you go back, so do, so do. So you go Now the last beat is where you go rather than playing saw, you can break as broken chords or arpeggios. So B, E, C, B flat, A. You get that? So slowly, pa 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 pa. That's it. You can't get slower than that. So that's your rhythm. So let's groove it now. practicing and see you at the next lesson. If you need to learn more about this, my contact number is on the screen, plus 447500114747. And also, I'll strongly encourage you to subscribe to the website www.africanpianolessons.com. I'm sure you can see it's a brand new website, and lots of this will be added on the website in the next coming weeks. See you at the next time. And please, if this has been a blessing to you, share with others. We need more pianists to be able to play our life. God bless you.